Guys, welcome to my channel Crypto Rockets. Today's video, I've spotted an arbitrage opportunity on Binance Exchange. Okay, so today's video I will take you on Binance Exchange and show you how I spotted this arbitrage opportunity on CoinGecko today. So if you like this kind of video, subscribe on my channel, like this video, and also click on the bell icon so that when I post any video like this, you'll be there to participate it on time. All because you all know that crypto arbitrage doesn't last forever. It can shift. The profits might vanish at a time, and it can also be more profitable. So all you need to do is to click on the bell icon so that it will notify you anytime I post videos, so that you will go ahead and watch it and participate it on time. Okay, so if so let us just dive in, and so that I'll show you how to participate on this arbitrage opportunity. So first thing, I'll type doc, because the token we'll be using today for this arbitrage is called doc. Okay, so I click on doc, right? I click on doc. As you can see that doc is doc have been listed, and it have been moving up and down. Okay, and if we go to market, you see that doc have been listed on so many exchanges. Okay, so many exchanges. So but what we'll be using for this trading will be on Binance Exchange. Okay, and it will be between Binance USD and Binance BTC. As you can see the price here, look at the price here. This is the price right here. Let us check the differences. The differences is 0.01548, and this one is 0.01540. as you can see, there is a massive difference between these two prices. Okay, though there is not much liquidity, but the liquidity, I think it will still feel, right? It will still feel. This is where the most liquidity lies. Okay, but there is still liquidity right here. Okay, unlike all these ones, right? So what we will do is to go to doc, go to our Binance Smart Chain. By the way, if you have not registered on Binance, I will leave a link on my description. Register on Binance so that you will be you get a lot of bonuses on my if you use my referral link. Okay, so if you type doc here, you will see there is doc BTC and doc USDT, but we'll be first go and use BTC, buy BTC with you, buy USDT, buy BTC with USDT. Okay, buy BTC with USDT, right? So we'll go and buy BTC with USDT right here now. Okay, we'll buy USDT. We'll buy 1000 USDT, as I always do. 1000 USDT. I will buy it, and this is the figure it gave us on a BTC, right? I will go to doc BTC. Now we'll be buying BTC. We'll be buying BTC. We're buying doc with BTC. Sorry, we'll be buying doc with BTC. We'll be buying doc. We're buying doc with BTC. I will paste it there. We'll paste the figure we copied earlier. It gave us this 64,773 doc token. Okay, so we copied it and go to doc USDT. Now we'll be selling doc for USDT for our profit. Okay, for our profit, guys. So here is the doc, and so we'll paste the doc here. We paste it here, and the profit we are making up to $5.2. Okay, that's the massive profit. And if this profit, if there is charge in this, if there is any fee at all, okay, if there is any fee at all, that's why you need to use my referral link to sign up, so that you will not have any fee trading on spot trading or even future trading. Okay, but even if you did not use my link, the charge will not be up to $1 in this particular trade, and you'll be making $4. And if we go to our calculator real quick, so if we go to our calculator real quick and check $4 multiply by maybe you want to do this trade for at least 100 times. If most of us will do it as very quick, and we're making $400, and $400 is not a bad idea at all. If you can make $400 a day, you know what it means. Okay, and most of us might even go beyond that. They might they might do more than 100 times just to get a lot of money here. Okay, so if you love this kind of video, just subscribe on my channel, click on the bell icon, and also like this video most especially, okay, so that YouTube algorithm will give it to a lot of people to watch. Okay, so see you on my next video. Thank you.